Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the dome light bulb on this 2007 Honda Pilot. Okay, get yourself a little trim tool like this one, and what you're going to do is press here and put your trim tool over here and pry this out carefully. Okay, and there's your bulb right there. Now you can remove your bulb. If it doesn't pull right out, try wiggling this way, side to side, and it comes out. All right, that's your bulb, and that's the bulb number you need, okay? Okay, take your new bulb and just put it in place, and he's gonna push it in place. You'll feel it like click in. Okay guys, test it, make sure it works. And now you could put your cover on, and this has a little tab on this side, so that side is gonna go in first, like that. And now you're gonna push in on this side to click in place, okay? That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.